DYKEM BRITE-MARK is a line of permanent paint markers ideal for making clear, bold markings on almost any surface. Their quick-drying, oil-based paint withstands both indoor and outdoor conditions without fading, chipping, or losing opacity. Versatile DYKEM BRITE-MARK markers can be used on a wide range of surfaces found in industrial facilities. The reversible and replaceable bullet nibs of DYKEM BRITE-MARK keep your mark sharp through the full life of the marker, and the valve action mechanisms prevent paint in the barrel from drying out, even when the cap is off, making it possible to fully utilize the 20% more paint contained in each marker. BRITE-MARK is available in a variety of package options to meet your specific needs. BRITE-MARK Medium features a medium tip for general purpose marking. The screw-on clip cap of the BRITE-MARK threaded cap allows for attaching around workstations and ensures the marker will not roll off surfaces. BRITE-MARK Roughneck features an ultra-durable tip designed for use on rough, greasy, and other tough surfaces. And now, BRITE-MARK is available in Fine. These smaller diameter markers are ideal for marking small parts and hard-to-reach places. The full BRITE-MARK family of permanent paint markers has a solution for your toughest marking jobs. Find out where you can buy DYKEM products at www.itwprobrands.com/distributors.